While the snow causes headaches on the roads, it's also providing fun.
Families took advantage of the weather today to get outside and spend some quality time sledding or making snow angels. WCCO's Alan Henry has a look at just how fast the snow came down and how some made the most of it.
What a difference a day can make. This is video we shot yesterday at Wintercrest Park in Coon Rapids, a popular spot in the winter with its big hill.
And this is what the park looks like today, a big difference. And if you're a big fan of sledding, it's an exciting one.
At least this time of the year, the first snow is always exciting. The first snow of the season, with Christmas coming, and we just had Thanksgiving.
Angelica Vasquez and her son Santiago spent the afternoon sledding at the park.
We just wanted to get some sledding before everybody came, since it's early still. So we just wanted to come and enjoy the snow before everybody came, because it gets pretty busy here.
While the snow kept coming down quickly, Angelica and Santiago weren't able to come down the hill quite as fast.
I think it's maybe a little bit too cushiony right now, because we were trying to come down and it was pretty packed. So I think once people start sledding, it's going to be a lot easier too.
But for the mother and son duo, their goal for the day, having fun, was easily accomplished. A special tradition for Angelica, a Mexican immigrant who has embraced Minnesota winters.
Pretty much 6 months out of the year or more sometimes, so we have to figure out how to get outside, get all the energy for the kids, so we always want to make sure that we get some time outside and sledding, make sure that we're all bundled up, and yeah, just have fun.
Alan Henry, WCCO 4 News.
That's the right attitude. What are you going to do?
We like to have balance as Minnesotans. We get really crabby about it, and then we get out there and get at it
And then
and enjoy
it.
it as
Yeah.
well. Yeah.